Welcome to Instock Notification Application. In this video, we will learn about how to set up Instock Notification app in your store. Step 1. Install files in WebDAV server. Download the zip file from here. Read instructions, extract the downloaded zip and upload into store's WebDAV. Let's open Content folder and upload the Instock folder here. See, Instock folder is uploaded in Content folder. Now, Step 2. Reinstall script to your store. Instock application script is automatically added in your store when you install the app. Please go to Storefront. Script Manager. See, Instock application script is here. If you didn't find it, you can reinstall it by clicking Reinstall button. Let's go to Step 3. Display Notify Me button in product listing. You need to put the short code in your theme's card.html file. Let's copy the code. See here instructions given where to paste the code. You can find this div and search for Fig caption. Let's go to Edit Theme Files. Templates, Components, Products, Card.html. Search the text to find that div. Paste the code here. See, a note given in Step 3. You need to show stock levels or low stock levels to display Notify Me button. You can find this setting from here. For newer versions, please find it in Settings, Product, Inventory. Now, Step 4. Display Subscribe button in Product Detail page. You need to paste this code in ProductView.html file. See here to know about where to paste the code in file. You can also search for any text. Let's open ProductView.html file. Search the text for that form. Card_URL. Paste the code here. Setup is completed. Now, we will see about Notified Products and Customer Notifications tab. Let's set a product to out of stock. Go to Inventory. Check the checkbox and set 0 stocks. Let's check this out of stock product in Frontend. See, Notify Me button is displayed here. Your customer will see a modal form like this. Entering email and submit. You can customize this form from App Admin. Let's see a product with options. See, some options are in stock. And some are out of stock. Click on the subscribe button to submit notification. We will submit notification for other out of stock option. Refresh the app and check data is shown in these tabs. See, 3 product or options. And in customer notification, list of 3 customers. You can check products in admin or frontend from here. See, there is an email count displayed in grid. When the email is sent to these customers, count will be increased. To work sending of emails, please check this warning message. You need to enable custom SMTP from email settings. Please fill SMTP details here. You can test your credentials from here also. It will send a test email using custom SMTP. Please read the notes from here to set up valid SMTP settings. Read the instructions carefully. Invalid or empty SMTP details are not allowed to be saved. There are two methods given in Instock app to send emails. You can send back Instock emails manually from here. You just need to click here. It will send emails for all notified Instock products. See another method. Enable sending emails automatically. To know more, read here. When you update your product's stock, the app will check and send back Instock email automatically if this settings is enabled. If you want to send emails more times, you can use manual click method. This is all about Instock notification app setup. Thank you for watching.